Okay, so we had just finished this problem here, and now we're looking at part B. All right, don't let this scare you. Remember that your exponent can come down to the front. The ln of e is 1, so you just have the ln of x. And this is another problem where you have a lot of logarithms. So you want to condense these into one first. And when we're subtracting, that's when our arguments get divided. Now you'll notice you have natural log on each side. So I'm going to drop the logs. And multiply each side by x minus 3. And x equals 6. And then again, I'm just going to make sure that these places stay positive, and they do. So when I put in the x in those locations, I'm taking the natural log of something that's positive. So we're getting 6 for our answer. Okay, now example 6 is an application of using what you've learned in this lesson. This problem has interest that's compounded quarterly. So it's back to this formula. We're going to find the amount of time. So we're going to be solving for t. We want $1,000 to grow to $1,800. Quarterly, so 4 times a year. And we don't know how many years, so that's 4t. Okay, I can divide both sides by 1,000 first. 0.034 divided by 4 is 0.0085. Okay. Now, I can't do anything with this until I do the log or the natural log on each side. So this goes back to the first part of the lesson. I'm going to do a log because that's going to allow me to bring that exponent down to the front. And then if I want to solve for time, and then I'm going to be putting all of that right into my calculator. And that's roughly 17.4 years. So that's how long it's going to take your money to grow $800 with 3.4% compounded quarterly. That's the end of these notes. I will tell you that you really need to take your time on the homework. This is the toughest lesson that we have in the chapter, so don't go fast through it. Keep going over these notes. Reach out to me when you get stuck. I'm happy to help you.